Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to create a Binance account, how to complete identity verification, and how to set up two-factor security to better protect your account. I'll explain everything step by step. Please follow along slowly as you watch the video. First, if you use the sign up link below the video you're watching, you can receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees, along with various bonus rewards for new users. If you'd like to receive these benefits, please sign up through the link below the video. First, I'll show you how to create a Binance account. To get started, click the sign up link below the video. You'll then be taken to the official Binance registration page. If you look at the screen, you can see the 20% Binance trading fee discount, and bonus rewards have been applied. Now let's create a new account. In the input field, choose either your email address or mobile number, and enter the option you want to use. Once you've entered it, check the agreement box below. Then click the register button. Shortly after, a verification code will be sent to the email or mobile number you entered. Enter the verification code you received. Next, create a password for your account. For security, your password should include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number, and be at least 8 characters long. Once you've completed this, the basic account creation process is finished. If you didn't use the link below the video, and signed up through another route, an inviter code entry page may appear separately. The inviter code cannot be added after the account has been created, so it cannot be registered later. Make sure to enter it at this stage. First, click the Yes button. Then the Referral ID field will appear. Enter BB333 in that field. Once the code is entered correctly, you can receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees, along with various bonus rewards. Your Binance account has now been created successfully. Second, I'll show you how to complete KYC verification. To use deposits, withdrawals, and trading on Binance, and access all features normally, you must complete KYC verification. Once the account creation process is finished, you'll be taken directly to the KYC verification page. First, select residence. Next, proceed with document verification. From the various document type options shown on the screen, select one type of identification document that you have. In this video I'll select passport. Then check all of the agreement boxes below, and click the Continue button. On the next screen, a QR code will be generated for KYC verification. Using your smartphone, scan the QR code shown on the screen. Once the QR code is scanned successfully, the KYC verification page will open on your mobile device. Tap the Start Scanning button here. When the camera scanning screen appears, make sure the information page of your passport is positioned correctly inside the frame on the screen. Then take a clear photo without any light reflection. Once the photo is taken, the facial verification step will begin. Position your face in the center of the screen frame, and follow the on-screen instructions to nod your head, or blink your eyes. The KYC verification process is now complete. KYC verification review usually takes around 1 hour. And once the review is approved, your KYC verification will be fully completed. Third, I'll show you how to set up two-factor security. Because your Binance account contains assets, it's very important to complete two-factor security setup as well. First, click the profile icon in the upper left corner of the home screen. Then select Account from the left menu. Next, select Security from the Security Settings menu. You'll then see several security verification methods. Among them, the method commonly used is the highly secure Authenticator app. Click the Manage button next to Authenticator app. Then click Enable Authenticator app. Shortly after, a verification code will be sent to the email or mobile number you entered. Enter the verification code you received. Then the Authenticator link pop-up will appear, and a QR code will be generated on the screen. Now install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Once installation is complete, open the app. Then tap the plus button in the bottom right corner, and select Scan a QR code. When the camera scanning screen appears, scan the QR code generated on the PC screen. Then in the Google Authenticator app, your Binance account will be added and a 6-digit code will be generated. This code changes to a new one about every minute, so make sure to check the latest code currently displayed. Now return to the PC screen. Click the next button below, and the Authenticator app code input field will appear. Enter the 6-digit code generated in the Google Authenticator app here. Then the Google Authenticator app will be activated, and the two-factor security setup will be successfully completed. In this video I showed you how to create a Binance account, how to complete identity verification, and how to set up two-factor security to better protect your account, all in order step by step. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and I'll reply as quickly as possible. Your subscriptions and likes really mean a lot to me. I'll be back with an even better video next time.